This is Stephanie from statisticshowto.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to calculate a z-score in Microsoft Excel. A z-score tells you how many standard deviations from the mean a certain value is. We're going to make our own formula, but as you'll see it's pretty easy. The grey area down here, I've got the z formula, which is x minus mu. Mu is the mean, divided by sigma, the standard deviation. You should be able to get this information from any question that asks you to calculate a z-score. But here's a sample question for you. You take the GRE, you get a verbal score of 600. A population mean is 470, and a population standard deviation is 118. The first thing we want to do is put our data into columns. I'm going to put in a column header just so I don't forget what I'm typing in. The X value from the question, the score we're looking at is 600. So I'm going to type in 600 in a cell A2. The second piece of information we have is that the mean, the population mean mu, is 470. And the last piece of information we're given in the question is that the standard deviation is 118. And finally we want to type in our z-score formula. Every formula in Excel starts with an equal sign. And we can't type this formula in here because Excel doesn't understand what these symbols are for. So we need to tell Excel what cells this information is in. The X value is in cell A2. So I'm going to type A2. Mu, the mean, is in cell B2. Now I could type in B2, or I can just click on the cell, which I'm going to do to make this just a little different. Close parentheses, the last piece of information is divided by sigma, which is in cell C2. So again, I'm going to click on it and it will fill in the cell name for me. Now when I press enter, I get my z-score of 1.1, which means that my GRE score of 600 is 1.1 standard deviations from the mean. Now the cool thing about Excel is you don't have to do this all over again. If you have a different question with different values, say an X value of 500, a mean of 300, and a standard deviation of 120, you can fill in your new information and Excel will calculate a new z-score. That's how to calculate a z-score in Microsoft Excel. Visit our website, statisticshowto.com. We've got hundreds of articles on everything statistics. Thanks for tuning in.